Welcome to Xrero Sales. Let's dive in. Xrero Sales takes a deal from a price quote to a paid invoice. You build a quotation, send it to the customer, and when they accept it becomes a confirmed sales order. Open Sales from the app's menu. The top menu is organized by job. Every quotation and order lives here with its number, customer, total, and status. A document moves from quotation sent sales order when confirmed. Click New. Choose the customer, their address, payment terms, and price list fill in automatically. Set an expiration date if you want, then add the products on the order lines. On the Order Lines tab, add a product per row. Pick the product, its description and price fill in. Set the quantity and the line total and the order total. Update live. Each line shows the unit price, an optional discount percent, and the tax. Xrero applies 5% UAE VAT automatically, and the footer breaks out untaxed amount, VAT, and total in AED. Make long quotations readable. Add a section heading to group lines, e.g. equipment, installation, a note to explain a line, and optional products the customer can add themselves online, a gentle upsell. Click Send by email. Xrero opens a pre-filled message with a quotation PDF attached and a link to view it online. The link lets the customer view the quotation in their browser, choose any optional products, then sign and pay or accept online. Whether the customer accepts online or you confirm on their behalf, click Confirm. The document becomes a sales order. The date is stamped, and downstream actions, delivery, invoice, unlock. The sales order is the contract. Its Other Info tab holds the salesperson, team, payment terms, and delivery address. Smart buttons link to the delivery and invoices it generates. If the order contains stockable products, confirming it creates a delivery order in inventory. Your warehouse picks and ships the goods and validates it. The sales order then knows what's been delivered, which can drive invoicing. Click Create Invoice. Choose to invoice the regular ordered quantities, only the delivered quantities, or a down payment. Xrero drafts the customer invoice in accounting. Review and confirm it to post. For large orders, you can bill a down payment first, a percentage or a fixed AD amount, and invoice the balance on delivery. Once the invoice is posted, the customer pays and you register the payment in accounting. The order's invoice status becomes fully invoiced/paid. A product holds its sales price, taxes, unit of measure, and whether it's a stockable good or a service. Variants handle options like size or color from a single product. So T-shirt, red, L, and T-shirt, blue, M, share one template. Pricelists set different prices for different customers or situations, a wholesale rate, a loyalty discount, a promotional price for a date range. If you sell the same package often, save it as a quotation template, preset lines, optional products, and terms. Each customer holds their billing and delivery addresses, default price list, payment terms, and TRN, tax registration number. Their record shows all quotations, orders, and invoices, and their total sales, so you always have context. Orders belong to a sales team and a salesperson. Managers set monthly targets per team and track progress, so everyone knows where they stand against goal. Sales analysis slices your orders by product, customer, salesperson, or month as charts, pivots, or lists. Spot bestsellers, watch margins, and compare periods to plan ahead. Admins enable features here: quotation templates, online signature and payment, price lists, units of measure, default payment terms, and the invoicing policy, ordered versus delivered quantities. Quote faster and get paid sooner with these habits, summarized here, then explained. The journey in 4 words. A quotation is confirmed into a sales order, which creates a delivery and an invoice. The issues we're asked about most with the first thing to check. That is Xrero Sales. Start your free trial today.